Hi everyone, back again doing another transformation video for you. I really enjoyed making the last one. I thought it was a lot of fun. Thought I'd do another one, just why not? Gonna be doing pretty much the same thing, just topping up my hair color. Hopefully it's gonna be a brighter pink this time. Really want a fluorescent neon pink. Gonna be fake tanning tonight. Be waking up real early tomorrow to get to the shops to get the dye. Got an event tomorrow that we are hopefully going to if the tickets come through. Just keeping you guys up to date with what's going on through the day, I guess, you know. Let's get into the tanning. So I've just finished tanning, as you can tell. It's not that dark yet, and it probably won't get that dark this time because I ran out of my mousse halfway through, so I just had to use my Moroccan tan oil. How I tan my hands and feet is by spraying the tan onto the brush and then just, but right now I'm just going to fix that light spot on my shin. This one isn't it isn't sticky at all, and it's dry to the touch. It's like 5 minutes, not even, after you put it on. Plus the brush trick is what I learned at the salon doing spray tanning, when it would gather in between the cleavage or on the inner elbows from when you're moving positions, like opening and closing your arms, and it settles. We were taught to buff it in with a brush, and it see, like that line there where my neck has settled, just rub it in with a brush. Just a wee little tip. I love using a brush though. I wish I could do my whole body in a brush. It's a pretty good tan. Like, it fades really nicely. It blends in pretty well. You got to work it in because it is an oil, not a mousse, so it doesn't really spread as easily as a mousse does, but it is really good. It gives you a beautiful natural tan, depending on how many layers you do, depending on how many pumps you do per layer. I just wear it on overnight and then wash it off in the morning. If I don't feel like it's dark enough, then I'll just reapply in the morning really quickly, because it dries I'm not going to say instantly, it dries really quick, like within 5 minutes. By the time I'm done with my legs, when I've done the rest of my body, my legs are dry. Like, you could rub it, it's dry. Like, it won't smear, and it's not sticky. You can put pants straight on, and yeah. So I will see you in 8 hours. Good morning, everyone. Just quickly run to her house to get some more bleach, which I thought I had heaps of, but turns out I didn't. So I'm just gonna bleach my roots, then run the dye through my hair. Tan's developed quite nicely, didn't need to put any extra on, which is good, chef kiss. But yeah, so let's get into the hair. Alright, so bleach is sitting in my hair. Gonna leave it in for another 10 minutes, if that. I've got a surprise inspection today, but yeah, so I've got that. Alright, so I have washed it out. It is very, very light all the way through. Now I'm going to do the pink, let it sit, wash it out, dry it, and then go to my house inspection. Alright, so it is now nearly 5 o'clock. Today has been very hectic. It's been very hectic. So my hair is pink. It's a bit light in some bits, but that's fine. Very neon at the roots, which is cool. Loving it. I'll be doing my hair and makeup for today, going for a very edgy, fun look today. Got some very fluorescent colours for my outfit tonight, and yeah, so enjoy.